This time on Wandersailing, we're finally starting to live the cruising life we dreamed of, do some island exploring with other cruisers, drag anchor once again, and make our first ceviche on board.
Eric is making ceviche!
With fresh trigger fish that I cut yesterday right under the boat.
It has a wedding hole in it.
And me running the party. The big flatfish, I don't know if it was good to grill or whatever. And I saw a triggerfish. I saw like a massive one. I went for it.
Oh man.
Jazz hands. Hiya! I see everything around me. The next time I throw a card.
From Isla Espiritu Santo. We've had a rough night. It was blowing up to 30 knots. We reset the anchor twice. Now we're doing it again.
Joy of cruising. Sometimes it's paradise, and some other times it's you don't see much.
Well, we'll hopefully hear some of that.
You see the tension going in between, but we shouldn't swivel.
Hello! Today we are sailing to Isla San Francisco. It's supposed to be a good breeze of 15 to 20 knots, so not bad for a 20-mile nautic voyage. Got our friends Talieson Rose right here, and Tioga is somewhere back here.
Who's there? Ow! Ow!
Kona, who's there? Who's there?
She's a bit more humble when she's on the paddleboard.
No, she's in her zen state. Whoop whoop! Party has arrived, and we're gonna have a fire!
We did it!
We did.
We didn't do it.
We're close.
Oh, that smells delightful.
We have to do on the other side.
I'll take credit for it. We did it!
We
Fire!
almost did it.
Is that a pokey stick?
No, it's not for the fish.
Okay.
It's only for a toy.
All right.
Oh!
Oh, the wood delivery guy is here. He got my phone call.
Wood delivery.
Woohoo! How many pesos per bundle? All right. Wow.
Slow branch. Oh,
Sweet.
yeah?
There's another one. What? There's manta rays diving over there. Just watch.
They're leaping, I should say. They're leaping.
They're flying.
Well, maybe they're not
They're
leaping
trying to
anymore.
fly. They wish they could.
Are you really worried about it? Well, if there's bubbles in there and they expand with heat.
Eddie, do you want some sweet
Yeah.
wine
I
beverage?
think people's getting hungry, so like I'll finish so just on the rocks, so it's like half in, half out. Yeah, that's a cheap bamboo.
This is hibiscus. It's equally as gross. Okay. What was the last campfire we were at?
Camping.
Was it Huntington? Anymore?
I brought a knife
What's
and a
this,
honey.
Daddy?
I can put it on you.
What?
Yes. You put it on.
Oh, that's good.
Those look great.
No.
Yes. It's a little.
That was right there.
It's like a half-inch off your
Like,
toe.
whoa, what's that?
Yeah, right by the light. It's good. Oh yeah. Weird. They look
salt
like
and
cooked
pepper.
cucumbers.
Wow,
that's hot.
Hot.
Those look pretty good.
Femur off
So you do
here.
in Mexico, you slide your line. If you don't worry about tetanus.
Yeah. You know, just don't worry about your femur.
Yeah, but
Nice. I had a friend with a surgical stapler. And
Come
every,
on, hold
every
it.
time we went hiking, I was like,
Why are all the blankets
"Oh, come on,
up?
not your pansy. You use like the
No, I'm good.
We're
I'm
just
good.
shaking sand
I
off.
was gonna take that, but you got like
And we're
more of
cleaning
those,
up,
right?
so we can just like chill.
Look at this guy. He's got even a juicer, modeler. What do you call that thing?
I think this might be one of the first fires we've had all year.
This is gonna be an
Any
extension
fires?
of the Baja Haha. It's called the
Oh, yeah,
San
we had a fire
Francisco
Maine.
Coco. Last night's motoring. So I was like, warm shower, not hot shower, but warm shower. And I'm like, here you go, Eric.
oh yeah. Oh, that's so good.
And he's like, because he was cold too. We were both pretty cold.
Really funny.
And he's like, oh.
Wow.
And I was like, I'm watering up.
And
That
I'm
is a
holding my hands
special
like this because
moment.
they're all fishy, you know, like.
It was a unique moment.
Yeah.
I was like,
Some
is
real
this
bromance right
yeah,
there.
it's a real
appropriate? I'm not sure this is appropriate, but
Whatever, we're going
It
with
just
I'm
feels
enjoying
right.
it. He's enjoying it. Everybody's happy. So.
Everybody's good.
I don't know, a few hours later, it's like, I love you, man. It was a special day, man. It was a
love you,
special
man.
day.
Don't go.
Follow my friend.
And since then, we decided to go spearfishing every day.
Yeah.
Cookie soda, babe.
next episode, we continue exploring the Sea of Cortez and see what it has to offer. We drive to this wicked town called Todos Santos. We discover mezcal, and we catch a first wave since we started our trip. And I bring my buddy Lance that flew from Vancouver for his first spearfishing experience. Thank you so much for all the patrons to make this adventure possible. Please make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.